Let's talk about some luxuries of downtown Dubai. Welcome to the heart of luxury and innovation, downtown Dubai, where dreams rise as tall as the iconic Burj Khalifa. If you've ever envisioned waking up to the world's most stunning skyline, this is your chance. Let's dive into the luxury apartments that redefine modern living, where every day feels like an extraordinary vacation. 1. Introduction to downtown Dubai. Downtown Dubai isn't just a place, it's a lifestyle statement. Known as the center of now, this vibrant district is home to world-class attractions like the Dubai Mall and the mesmerizing Dubai Fountain. But the real stars? The luxury apartments boast unparalleled Burj Khalifa views. These homes are more than residences. They are status symbols, offering a blend of elegance, comfort, and convenience you won't find anywhere else. Downtown Dubai, often called the center of now, epitomizes luxury and opulence. This bustling metropolitan area, marked by iconic skyscrapers and high-end lifestyles, offers a unique blend of residential, commercial, and leisure attractions. In this article, we'll take a deep dive into what makes downtown Dubai a must-visit destination, with a focus on its landmarks, lifestyle, and business opportunities. Iconic landmarks. The heart of downtown Dubai. Downtown Dubai is home to some of the world's most astonishing architectural marvels. The Burj Khalifa, the world's tallest building, offers breathtaking cityscape views. A visit to this landmark is incomplete without experiencing the observation decks on the 124th and 148th floors. For a comprehensive overview of this architectural wonder, explore our detailed guide on Burj Khalifa. Burj Khalifa is the world's tallest building, offering spectacular views from observation decks. Dubai Opera, a multi-format performing arts center hosting various shows and events. The Dubai Mall, one of the largest malls in the world, featuring a vast array of shops, eateries, and attractions. Restaurants. Armani Amal, an upscale Indian restaurant in the Armani Hotel, is known for its exquisite cuisine and views. Atmosphere. Located in the Burj Khalifa, this restaurant offers fine dining with breathtaking views. Zeta Restaurant Lounge, an outdoor dining experience overlooking the Dubai Fountain. The Dubai Fountain, a captivating water, music, and light spectacle set on the 30-acre Burj Khalifa lake. Now, let's uncover the gems in this dynamic urban hub, where the breathtaking meets the exceptional. 2. Apartment 1. The address. Residence's Sky View. First up, we have the Address Residence's Sky View. Imagine a home that feels like a 5-star retreat every single day. This architectural masterpiece offers fully furnished apartments with floor-to-ceiling windows framing jaw-dropping views of the Burj Khalifa. The Address Residence Sky View Towers, an iconic twin-tower complex in downtown Dubai, offers unparalleled luxury living. Strategically located near the Burj Khalifa and the Dubai Mall, this architectural marvel is designed by Skidmore, Owings & Merrill. The Address Sky View Towers are a testament to modern luxury, featuring a unique sky bridge that houses a stunning infinity pool and restaurant. The development comprises 2 buildings, the Address Residence Skyview Tower 1 and the Address Residence Skyview Tower 2. The development contains a total of 720 units. The complex comprises 532 serviced apartments and a 180-room luxury hotel. The building is linked directly to the Dubai Metro and the Dubai Mall via an air-conditioned travelator. Spanning the tower complex at level 54 is a unique sky bridge, which includes a signature restaurant, ballroom, and infinity pool with an amenity deck, offering 360-degree vistas of downtown Dubai and panoramic views of the Gulf. All serviced apartments are fully furnished and designed to ensure optimal light across all living spaces, with floor-to-ceiling windows giving views of downtown Dubai or the Gulf. The interiors? Pure luxury. Think sleek marble finishes, modern furnishings, and an open-plan design that screams sophistication. The amenities here are unbeatable. A rooftop infinity pool where you can float while admiring the world's tallest building. A world-class spa to rejuvenate your senses, and direct access to the Dubai Mall. It's the epitome of convenience and indulgence rolled into one. Living here isn't just about luxury, it's about elevating your everyday life. 3. Apartment 2. Burj Vista. Apartments. Next, we take you to Burj Vista Apartments, a haven for those who seek an exclusive lifestyle. Nestled right across from the Burj Khalifa, these homes are designed for the discerning urbanite. The expansive balconies? Perfect for hosting sunset dinners or simply soaking in panoramic views of downtown Dubai. Located in the upscale community of downtown Dubai, Burj Vista has been designed to offer a theatrical experience of the iconic Burj Khalifa. It is situated on Sheikh Mohammed bin Rashid Boulevard and features two 20- and 65-story towers providing 120 and 520 apartments, respectively. The apartments have 1, 2, and 3 bedrooms. The luxury residences in the development feature lavish terraces that offer uninterrupted views of the gorgeous skyline of the city, the Dubai Fountain, and downtown Dubai. The amenities that the residents will be complimented with include a fully equipped gymnasium, children's play area, multimedia hall, business center, playroom, lounge areas, swimming pool and kids pool, badminton and a half basketball court, relaxing reading areas, and landscaped areas. The interiors are a seamless blend of elegance and functionality. Premium fittings, high ceilings, and intelligent layouts ensure that every square inch serves a purpose. And let's talk about the amenities. State-of-the-art fitness centers, infinity pools, and even indoor gardens create an oasis of tranquility amidst the bustling city. This is more than a residence, it's a statement of living boldly and beautifully. No. 4. Apartment 3. Boulevard Point. Boulevard Point stands tall, offering contemporary homes that redefine urban luxury. With its strategic location right along Mohammed bin Rashid Boulevard, you're just steps away from fine dining, high-end retail, and cultural hotspots. Rising impressively to meet the sky, this 63-story tower located in downtown Dubai sets the bar for location and luxury. Nestled within a popular, well-established community, Boulevard Point boasts unparalleled views of Burj Khalifa, the Dubai Fountain, the Dubai Mall, and the Old Town. The high-end residential development contains dedicated private parking, luxurious outdoor swimming pools, a landscaped podium, multifunction rooms, a gym, sauna, and steam rooms, children's play areas, and retail on 2 floors. These apartments are tailored for modern professionals and families alike. Expect spacious layouts, designer kitchens, and elegant ensuite bedrooms with, you guessed it, unmatched Burj Khalifa views. But what truly sets Boulevard Point apart is its vibrant energy. It's the perfect blend of work, play, and relaxation, from stylish rooftop lounges to private wellness spaces. This is not just a home, it is your front row ticket to the good life. No. 5. Apartment 4. Act 1. Act 2. Towers. Welcome to the Act 1. Act 2 Towers, where art and luxury intersect. Located near the Dubai Opera, these homes celebrate creativity and elegance. Each apartment offers a chic, modern design with stunning views of the Burj Khalifa that feel like living in a postcard. Act 1, Act 2 is a residential complex in downtown Dubai with 2 towers, Act 1 Tower and Act 2 Tower. These towers were launched in 2016 by Immerse Properties and were completed in Q4 2022. Act 1 Tower has 46 floors and Act 2 Tower has 52. Act 1, Act 2. Towers architectural consultants are Perkins Eastman and Arch Group Consultants. Act 1. Act 2 offers 1, 2, and 3 bedroom apartments, 4-bedroom penthouses, and 3 and 4-bedroom townhouses. Both towers feature state-of-the-art gymnasiums, temperature-controlled swimming pools, and fully furnished health clubs. Act 1. Act 2 is next to Opera Grand Tower and Mohammed bin Rashid Boulevard. Al Tahani Street, Immerse Boulevard, and Burj Khalifa Boulevard are nearby. Downtown Dubai is a family-friendly community that houses the world's tallest building, Burj Khalifa. The district has various high-rise residential buildings, high-end dining facilities, and entertainment destinations. Downtown Dubai is well connected to the public transport network. Step onto the private balconies and you're greeted with breathtaking city vistas. The community amenities include a theater-inspired lounge, fitness facilities, and easy access to cultural events at the Opera District. This is where life imitates art and you are the show's star. So why dream when you can live it? These luxury apartments in downtown Dubai are not just places to stay, they are places to thrive, create, and be inspired. Whether you are an ambitious professional or seeking a serene escape in the heart of it all, downtown Dubai welcomes you with open arms. The best part? Your future self is already thanking you for taking this leap. After all, life is too short to settle for anything less than extraordinary. Which one of these dream homes is calling your name? Let us know in the comments below. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this luxury journey with your friends. Thank you.